day of February, and we could wear a t-shirt out here if we wanted. Crazy Ohio weather. We're lucky enough to start the Rolandia Magic Castle project that we worked night and day for. Place where I grew up playing video games and putt-putt. Now I get to redo it all. We've got about 50-60 guys out here today. We're going to do the batting cages, the shelter house, the castle, the mini castle, and a storage facility, and then the pro shop and the old pro shop. So it's a great job.
February 1st, 57 degrees.
That's pretty good.
Huh?
Not bad.
You got 2 dump trucks coming. We're bringing 2 dump trucks.
Come on, man, where are you at, buddy?
Here's the drip bed. I'm laying it out.
Green of what you sent out for pitch black green label. Tell him he can pay everybody's payroll for the hour. 30 guys.
That's
waiting on him.
It's gonna be more than $30. Looks like 300 pieces to me.
We're all gonna have to park over there because we're in the way. Everybody's gonna have to move over where my truck is because they'll start opening up here.
Just go in.
I want you to take him with you right now and go to this first street to the left.
Okay.
These green wrappers, there's 2 different colors of black in here, so if you run out, don't just go grabbing shingles on a building. All right? You have to look, make sure the shingle matches. Yeah. Threw a big wrench in my plan today.
What's that?
Sent me 3 different kinds of shingles.
Oh boy.
Yeah. So I gotta sit here and factor out where they go. And he called me when the truck pulled in, said he wanted to talk to me about the order. All that work we did, gotta redo it. Make sure you guys are not grabbing anything but these 2 skids right here right now.
All right.
Not grab anything but these 2.
Jump up here with that.
One of the hailstones from the storm, still frozen.